Hey everybody, and welcome to Miss D's Pantry. Today's recipe is gonna be some pesto baked pork chops. The recipe will be linked down below, so make sure you check the description box for that. We're gonna start off with a glass baking sheet, and there was oil in there at first, just whatever kind of oil you like. And then it's going to be a little semi-homemade because instead of making my own pesto, I'm going to use this pesto here. It is so delicious, guys. You really should try it. And it doesn't have any nuts in it. So if you have a nut allergy, that's awesome for that. But we can do a homemade pesto recipe. If you want to see that, just comment below. We're going to take the pork chops after they've been rinsed and add the pork chops to the pesto, and we're just going to massage that pesto into those pork chops to give it some flavor. The pesto and the oil is all that I mix together at this point, but if you decide that you want to add some salt or pepper, you can. I did not at this point. I waited until everything cooked. So I have some onions here, and I just chopped them, and I'm going to add them to the pork chops to give it some more flavor. And then I also have some water, and I'm just going to pour a little bit in there just to help it cook. Then I'm going to cover the pork chops with foil, and I'm going to put them in the oven. I put it on 350. And I let these pork chops cook for 2.5 hours. And then I took them out of the oven just to check on them. And I also wanted to add something else to the pork chops. So I have 2 potatoes and a green pepper that I cut up. And I waited to add them because I didn't want them to become mush inside of the pan, because like I said, I cooked my pork chops for 2 hours. So I'm just going to cover that back up. And at that point, you can season them with salt and pepper. And I put that back in the oven for about 30 minutes or however long it takes your potatoes to cook. As you can see from how long I've cooked them, the pork chops have become really tender and they're just falling off the bone. So guys, if you really want your meat or your ribs or anything like that, your bacon, to fall off the bone, you want to let them cook low and slow. And so that's what I've done here. But after that, they're ready to plate. And so this video is over. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to check the links below. Hit that bell button so you can get notifications when I post. And I'll see y'all next time.